So what are quantum numbers? So first we let me take an atom. For example, first shell, second shell, third shell, fourth shell. In fourth shell, there is an electron. For example, let me take this electron X. So this electron revolving in which shell, in which orbital? What is the spatial orientation of this electron? What is the direction of the electron? This electron, it is rotated, it revolves in clockwise direction or anti-clockwise directions. So what are quantum numbers? That means the accurate position of an electron in an atom. What? Define quantum numbers. The numbers which represents the accurate position of an electron in an atom is known as quantum numbers. To find out the accurate position of an electron in an atom, scientists proposed 4 quantum numbers. The first one is principal quantum number. Principal quantum number, it represented by small n. Second one is azimuthal quantum number. Azimuthal quantum number represented by L. Third one, magnetic quantum number. Represented by M. Fourth one, spin quantum number. Represented by S. So, to find out the accurate position of an electron, that means scientists proposed 4 quantum numbers: principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, magnetic quantum number, spin quantum number. That means there are 4 quantum numbers. That means here N, L, M and S. These 4 quantum numbers are known as quantum mechanics. So the 4 quantum numbers simply referred as quantum mechanics. So name of the first one, serial number 1. First name of the quantum number is principal. So principal quantum number was discovered by Niels Bohr. So its symbol is N. So applications, uses. First one is, it represents, first one, number of shell. Second one, it represents size of cell. Shell can another name is orbit. Third one is energy of cell. So what is principal quantum number? Simple definition. The number which represents number of cell, size of cell, energy of cell is known as principal quantum number. So the maximum electrons in a shell equal 2n square, where n represents principal quantum number, simply say shell number. So example 1, if n is equal to 1, that is first shell, that means number of cell. Second one, size of cell, small size. So energy of cell, low energy. Example 2, if n is equal to 4, fourth shell, first one. Next, size of cell, large size. Third one, low energy, high energy. name of the quantum number is azimuthal. Symbol is azimuthal quantum number discovered by Sommerfeld. So symbol is in azimuthal, last letter is L. Applications. First one, it represents shape of orbital. So what is azimuthal quantum number? The number which represents shape of the orbital is known as azimuthal quantum number. So we know that L is equal to n minus 1. If L values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If L value 0, it represents s orbital. If L value 1, it represents p orbital. If L value 2, d orbital. If L value 3, f orbital. If L value 4, g orbital. Number of nodal planes is equal to azimuthal quantum number. For example 1, for s orbital, number of nodal planes that is. So for s orbital, answer for s orbital, L value is equal to 0, therefore number of nodal planes, so 0. Example 2, for 3D orbital, nodal planes is equal to question mark, how many nodal planes? So answer for 3D orbital, that means for d orbital, L value is equal to 2, therefore nodal planes also is equal to. We know that nodal plane means the probability of electron around the nucleus is 0, that is probability, that is nodal plane. Third one is magnetic. The magnetic quantum number was discovered by Landé. So its symbol is M. That means what is the use or application of the magnetic quantum number? It represents spatial orientation of an electron. What is meant by spatial orientation of an electron? That means simply say the presence of degenerate orbitals. Simply say suborbitals. The presence of degenerate orbitals in an orbital. Let me explain one by one. So m value depends on n. M is equal to 2l plus 1. So m values carries from minus l to plus l or minus m to plus l. M values carries from minus l to plus l. For example 1. So what is spatial orientation of an orbital? M represents spatial orientation of an electron. That means we know that, for example, there are 4 orbitals. If we take s orbital, p orbital, d orbital, f orbital. We know that s orbital has no degenerate orbital, so it is the only one. But p orbital has suborbitals, it has 3. D orbital has 5 suborbitals. F orbitals, 7 suborbitals. So S has no degenerate orbitals. P split as 3, D split as 5, F split as 7. Why P orbital split as 3 suborbitals? Why D why d orbital splits are it classified as 5 suborbitals. Why f orbital split as 5 7 degenerate orbitals. It is known as spatial orientation. We explain it one by one by example. So example 1, for s orbital, what is the m value for s orbital? For s orbital, m value. For s orbital, L is equal to 0. For s orbital, L is equal to 0. Therefore, m is equal to 2L plus 1. That is equal to L value 0. That is equal to 1. That is say m is equal to 1. So we know that for s orbital, L is equal to 0, that implies m is equal to 0. That means m value only 1, that is the main orbital. So in s orbital there are no suborbitals. Example 2, for p orbital, m is equal to m. So for p orbital, what is the m value? So for p orbital, L is equal to 1. Therefore, m is equal to 2L plus 1. That is equal to 2. L value is equal to 1 plus 1. That is equal to 3. So, for p orbital, m value is equal to 3. So, it's split as 0 plus 1 minus 1. So, for p orbital, m value is equal to 3. So, p orbital splits as 3 types. So this is px, py, pz. What is the m value for px? Minus 1. What is the m value for py? 0. Pz, what is the m value for pz? Plus 1. Next, example 3. For d orbital, m value is equal to how much? So for d orbital, we know that for d orbital, L is equal to 2. Therefore, m is equal to 2L plus 1. 2 into 2 plus 1. That is equal to 5. So for d orbital, m is equal to 5. So for d orbital, m is equal to 5. So d orbital split as 5 types. So for 5, 0, 0, plus 1, minus 1. Plus 2, minus 2. We know that d orbitals are 2 types, dx orbital, T2j orbital, EZ orbitals. So in d orbital, dz square has special shape. This is dz square m value. This is dxy, dyz, dxz, dx square minus y square. What is the m value for dz square? 0, because in d orbital, dz square has special shape. So example 4. So simply we can answer why d orbital splits as 5 types, because its m value is equal to 5. Example 4, for f orbital, it has complicated structure, or so m is equal to, what is the m value? So for f orbital, it has complicated structure or 4-fold structure. So L is equal to 3. Therefore, m is equal to, we know that 2L plus 1. Therefore, 2 into 3 plus 1, that is 7. So f orbital split has 7 types. Why f orbital has 7 degenerate orbitals? Because its m value is equal to 7. Why s orbital has no degenerate orbitals? Because for s orbital, m value is equal to 1. Next. Last one is spin quantum number. Symbol is S. Two scientists proposed this. Uhlenbeck, Goldsmith. So what is the application? What are the uses of spin quantum number? It represents spin of the electron. Spin of the electron. So simple definition is, what is spin quantum number? The quantum number which represents spin of the electron is known as spin quantum number. So electron has two spins. First one, if S is equal to plus of, that means plus of or upward arrow mark, it represents clockwise direction of electron. If S is equal to minus half, if S is equal to minus half or downward arrow mark, that means it represents anti-clockwise direction of electron. So 4 quantum numbers are completed. Now let me do a simple problem on quantum numbers. Example. So a problem on quantum numbers. The problem on quantum numbers. So example 1. For sodium, in sodium, let me take in sodium for valency electrons, in sodium for valence electron, N, L, M. So in sodium for valence electron, what are the 4 quantum numbers? N, L, M and S. So that is answer is in sodium symbol is Na. So atomic number Z is equal to 11. Therefore electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 neon, that is a 3s1. So this is the valence shell, valence electron. So in sodium shell, in sodium N is equal to 3. So for s orbital L value is equal to 0. If L is equal to 0, M value is equal to 0. So the electron is upward direction. So S is equal to plus of. Therefore, for valence electron in sodium, the 4 quantum numbers are 3, 0, 0, plus of. So example 2, in calcium, for valency electron, the 4 quantum numbers N, L, M and M is equal to how much? So the 4 quantum numbers, the value of N, L, M and S values. So answer is, so for calcium, symbol is A, Z atomic number is 20. Therefore electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6 are gone. That is argon 4s2. So this is the valence shell, 2 electron, first, last. This is valence electron. We know that valence electron is last entering electron. So for calcium, N is equal to 4. So for L value, for s orbital L value 0, M value also 0. So electron is downward, that is equal to S is equal to minus of. Therefore 4, 0, 0, minus of. These are the 4 quantum numbers.